American homebuyers are getting much needed financial relief. The Federal Housing Finance Agency, or the FHFA, has announced new rules for Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac mortgages that will lower homeowners' insurance premiums by removing strict, costly roof coverage mandates. In a move aimed at addressing skyrocketing insurance premiums, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac will now accept actual cash value, or ACV, coverage for roofs for single-family homes and condominiums. Previously, borrowers were forced to secure full replacement cost value, or RCV, for roofs, a level of coverage that has become prohibitively expensive and difficult to find in many states. This means that buyers can now use cheaper insurance that pays for the roof's current depreciated value if damaged, rather than being forced to buy expensive policies that pay for a brand new roof. Quote, thanks to President Trump's landslide victory, we are replacing a disruptive and expensive Biden insurance mandate with common sense policies for today's market, end quote. That came from FHFA Director William J. Pulte. He goes on to say, quote, lower insurance costs and mortgage rates shrink the monthly payment of a new mortgage, giving homebuyers confidence that they can afford the American dream. Now, just as an aside here, I don't think this one thing is going to be what we need. We're actually going to need several things for this to really pick up. And first-time home buying, something that very strong to me personally. I sacrificed a lot, and it took years to be able to put myself in a position where I could buy my first home in lieu of renting. And it changed a lot of stuff for me. And this is absolutely a problem. And I would love to, even for more than just stocks appreciating and us trading those stocks, I would love to see this actually help a whole bunch of first-time home buyers. I think there's a lot there. I think that owning your home kind of gives you more of a sense of responsibility. I think that it kind of breeds better financial decisions. I think there's just a lot of really good stuff from graduating effectively from renting to buying. Now, and that's not to say that there's anything wrong with renting, but if you're buying and you're building equity there, for most people, the home is the largest asset that these people ever own. Anyway, while the roof can now be covered in its current depreciated market value, the rest of the home will still require full RCV protection. This ensures borrowers remain well protected against natural disasters while keeping premiums manageable. And if you want the link to the actual document itself, it is in this. I'll go ahead, or in the link, I should say. I'll throw that there in the chat for you. The update also brings major relief to condominium buildings. In addition to allowing cheaper ACV roof coverage, the FHFA simplified a complicated maximum per unit deductible rule. As a result, many condo buildings that were previously priced out of the mortgage market now qualify. The agency is also scrapping a confusing 2024 regulation that slowed down insurance claims and unnecessarily drove up costs. Senator Eric Schmidt, who worked closely with the FHFA on the changes, emphasized the broad benefits for consumers. Quote, I'm grateful to the Trump administration and the federal housing director Pulte for working with me to repeal this harmful mandate, giving families the flexibility they need, ensuring rural communities have better access to choose an insurance plan that best reflects their need, end quote. By easing these strict insurance requirements, the FHFA aims to lower monthly housing payments. This flexibility is designed to help more first-time buyers successfully close on homes and ensure homeowners can maintain affordable coverage in today's tough insurance market. Again, cannot stress enough how good it would be for just the broader population to have more and more first-time home buyers, something I feel very, very strongly about.